It's Melissa with Web of Creativity, and I'm sharing with you today my grandfather clock and mini album project. And this uses Graphic 45 products. So the clock that you're looking at is about 14.5 inches tall. So there's my 12-inch ruler. And it's made of cardstock and Graphic 45's ivory ATC matchbook box. And then the mini album is using the Graphic 45's 4x5 inch ivory ATC tag and pocket album. So this video, I'm just sharing with you my project and give you a little peek at it. And then I have two videos, one that shows you how to make the entire grandfather clock, and I give you all the dimensions on how to make that. It's not hard, I promise. And that link is below. And then the second video is of the mini album, and I just go over how I mat it and decorate it and stuff like that. So I'm going to zoom in on my project here. Let's see. Hit the right button. So you can see I have them on, the mini album is on, it comes off, it's just sitting on the stand right there, the base, and the clock is actually attached to that base. And you can see inside the clock is a Graphic 45 keyhole. And then we have, I use Lady's Diary paper collection, so it's a Graphic 45. It's the Deluxe Collector's Edition. And I have kits on my blog for this whole project, and that is www.webofcreativity.net. So let me zoom in, going the wrong direction. Zoom in on this clock right here. So the clock face is a Graphic 45 die, and it's hard to see inside. It has acetate sheets, the clear sheets, and then we have flowers attached to it. So it has a couple of layers. And then I made a cute little frame to go around it. So I'm going to change my camera view and get a closer look of the inside of the clock and the mini album. Alright, so I got zoomed in a little bit here so you can see the acetate in the back right there. And then I attached the flowers to it. And then you can see that I have the frame. So I have two pieces of acetate, one attached to the clock and then one for the flowers. And then I have that Lady's Diary chipboard piece. And then the pendulum and the base. Alright, I'm going to go through the album real quick. And I have this pop dotted up here. Looks super cute. So the video on the album goes over the additional tags and the sizes. So the album doesn't come with these side-loading tags. So I'll go over how to make those and the dimensions and how to mat them. And this album only comes with 4 of these ATC tags. So I'll go over the sizes of these guys and how to mat them. And the link for those videos are below. Please check out my YouTube channel. And while you're at it, go ahead and go to my website, www.webofcreativity.net, and sign up for my newsletter. It's brand new. I'm really excited about it. And then I have a Facebook page, facebook.com/webofcreativity424. So please check those out for me, please. And that's the project. The links to make both of these projects are below. Please go check those out as well. Thank you for watching.